Okay, this one's going to be a quickie video. This is a healthy egg salad recipe that I found online. And I've already prepared the ingredients ahead of time. So we've got Greek yogurt, chopped, cooked eggs, chopped celery, chopped dill weed, fresh dill, and then of course I've got the other ingredients, the Dijon mustard. Okay, let me go ahead and add them in. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is place the eggs in a large mixing bowl. So there they are. Hard-boiled eggs. Something fell down here. Oops. All right. I'll be right back. Okay. Next thing we're going to do, I had some leftover celery I had to use. Then add the celery. I'm actually using about a cup because I used large eggs, and I wanted to use up my celery. I'm trying to use up my leftovers. Okay. Let me go ahead and mix these together. This is a technique I learned from making another recipe. Okay, so we've got the celery and the eggs mixed together. Okay, now Greek yogurt, that's going to be approximately 1/4 of a cup. Oops, let's see if I can do this without making a first-class mess. I haven't used Greek yogurt in a while. This is definitely a different type of yogurt. That's about one. That is about the right amount. Okay, well, I'll use that to take it out. They call this healthy egg salad. I guess it's because it uses Greek yogurt in place of mayonnaise. Okay. I actually think I could put in a little bit more. I'm just kind of going by my guts here. Yeah. It's because I've got extra celery and I've got large eggs. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay, the next ingredient, let's go ahead and mix this around. This is a good way to tell if I have the right amount too. I guess, yeah, that looks about right. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay, now mustard, that's going to be 1 teaspoon Dijon. You know what? It would be easier to squeeze it. Let's do it this way. Yeah, that's about right. Throw that in there. All right. Okay, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Actually, yeah, there's no other salt in this, so. But then I'm using sea salt. I think I'm going to go with maybe a little bit less than half. Let's see here. Oh, that's plenty. Yeah. Okay, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, and that'll give it a little bit of spunk here. Let's see what's next. Yeah. Get it to come out. I'm not one for spices. Is this a 1/4? Or is that a 1/2? That's a 1/4. Oh, that'll be about right. A little bit of spunk is good. And then throw in the dill. That's about a tablespoon. I went a little bit past it. I love dill. Fresh dill. Okay. Let's see. Let's stir to combine. This looks good. Like I said, I'm trying to make some delicious vegetable dishes. This uses up my celery and then uses my eggs. Now, I'm not done yet. I'm going to serve it on a bed of fresh spinach. Let me, oops, throw that in there. Go get me some of my spinach. Almost forgot about you guys. Oh. Here it is. Baby spinach. Already washed. Washed and ready to eat. Let's just, alright. Yeah, like I said, I'm going into vegetable dishes here. So let's go ahead and throw in some spinach. Put it on a bed of spinach. There, just like that. And then put the that looks good. Ha ha ha. Okay, there it is. There is my egg salad on top of fresh spinach. So let's check it out. I guess I'll take a little spoon here. It's good and healthy. Yeah, getting my vegetables. It doesn't have to be spinach, it can be any greens, but I thought spinach would go good with an egg salad, and I was right, it tastes good. So there we go. I'll be posting this. Let me get a good picture here. There it is.
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising.